Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Kenmore brand washing machine and it's giving you a capital S small r error code and you are wondering what this is and what you can do to fix it. So a little bit of bad news is that this is not something that a homeowner can easily deal with. You're almost always going to need to call a technician to get this fixed because this is not like a drain or an intake thing. It's not localized to one place. So the SR stands for stuck relay. So throughout the whole machine there are several different relays, and the washing machine is sensing that one of them somewhere is stuck. And someone's going to have to get into the guts of the washing machine and figure out which one is stuck. Doing that, you risk causing yourself other problems and voiding your warranty if you don't go through a professional. So anyways, hope this video helped you at least figure out what's going on. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.